I'm JJ Yosh, and I am a social media influencer. It's hard to describe what it is that I really do, but I think that's what I love about living in today's world. Technology allows me to work on my terms, wherever and whenever. It's almost like a highway with endless possibilities. And I'll admit it, I find excitement in traveling into the unknown. For most of my life, I thought I had to do it alone. Even with all the unpredictable obstacles, I still made my own way. Maybe it was because I thought I had to prove something. But as I get older, I realize the importance of connection. You could be in some of the most awe-inspiring places in the world, but it really means nothing if you can't share them with others. And maybe that's why I chose this job, or it found me. Because even in the most remote destinations, I'm never truly alone. There's a sense of magic to it all. Connecting to the earth while connecting with others, now that's the ultimate experience. With connectivity, I'm not only able to share my adventures through my website, but also inspire a change beyond myself. Out here, I can transcend to a whole new level of creation. And as industry increases its technological capabilities, so too does my connection to the world around me. We have the entire planet at our fingertips. And when you can fully realize that and totally digest it, it's then that you are truly free. Free to be who you've always wanted to be.